All right, welcome back. So part one here is nice and short. We just need to make sure we add in a key to each button. So right now, we've already seen this message a million times. Each child in an array or iterator should have a unique key prop. So the easiest way to do this, well, there's only one way to do it, is to come over to where we're creating those buttons and add in a key. Now, what makes sense as a good key? We could just try and come up with some random number each time. We could use a library to help us make random numbers, random strings, unique identifiers. But because there's only one of each letter, one of each button, we don't have any duplicates, we can just use the letter itself. If we save and open this up, we shouldn't see any issues anymore. Everything still works, it doesn't break anything. And if we look at inside of the React inspector, we can see each button all the way down here now has a key set to A or B or C, and that's fine. These buttons aren't changing, they're not going anywhere. So if you wanted to, you could use the index of the array. So you could change it to be letter, comma, I, or index or IDX, and set this to be I. But I always try and avoid using the iterator index, especially when we already have a unique letter, so there's no reason to. But this still would work in case you came up with that version. Just remember, it's less ideal. Less ideal? I wouldn't prefer it. Okay, so we have keys 0, 1, 2, 3. Those are still unique, so that works, but I'm gonna go back to using letter. And that's it. We now have a key. That warning has gone away, and that's really all there is to talk about. All right, I'll see you in the next video with part 2.